मनीषा जी, पीटी राव,
हाँ जी।
आपका क्वेश्चन।
आप पीछे क्यों हैं?
No, I was discussing something. So what I wanted to know is, as Raj pointed out, you had to go through a lot of legal routes
Yes.
and approvals. So has RBI allowed this mine to consumer directly, because there's a lot of curbs right now?
Of course, there's lots of curbs, and that's where the IBJ comes in. As an organization, we're trying to calm down the restrictions on import of gold. The 80-20 scheme, we're all stuck. There's a lack of gold in the country, and even Mr. Kothari and Mr. Ramesh will tell you the same thing. We're all struggling, and we need the rules to be relaxed so the gold can come in smoother. As far as legalities are concerned, we have our own refineries, and legally we can import the gold under the 80-20 scheme. So we've taken all the required approvals, but RBI and SEBI doesn't get involved with gold jewelers and their deals as long as you follow the laws of the land.
But you will have to follow the 80-20 rules as well.
Yeah, we're doing that already.
Of course. We wouldn't be making an announcement if we're not following the rules.
Thank you everybody for being here today.
Present the check.
शिल्पा जी, एक आखिरी सवाल है। आप अपने ये लोग शोरूम खोल लेंगे, उसके अलावा क्या इंटीरियर में भी जाएंगे जो ज्वेलर्स की दुकानें हो रही हैं, क्योंकि गोल्ड ज़्यादातर जो है गांव खेड़े में जो लड़कियों की
Of course.
स्कीम है आपकी,
Of course.
वहाँ के लिए क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में?
Of course, gold सब लोगों को available होना चाहिए और वही idea है. So we'll have our sales team obviously going to various places, and
Store in every major city.
and there'll be a store in every major city. As we speak, we are opening 7. So there's one here in Zaveli Bazaar, there's one in Bandra, we're opening in Chandigarh, we're opening in Pune. So there's Jaipur, which is my favorite. So so we are obviously slowly opening. We're starting with the north, then we'll go down south.
Just add to that.
Yeah, and
Sorry.
Also, one more
Just,
thing.
sorry, just adding to that, we're doing a tie-up with one of the largest bullion traders in the country, Mr. Prithviraj Kothari from Riddhi Siddhi Bullion, where they have access to about 2,500 jewelers, and we'll be implementing our Satyug software in most of these places over the next 5 years.
The other thing was that, as you pointed out, that it's going to be a locking period.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to break it in the middle, they cannot do that. So somebody cannot pay. Would there be penalty on those people? Because as
no, you have to pay
It's a one
upfront.
time.
It's a one.
The discount is applicable. You pay on the day you book the gold. You pay the
complete amount.
complete amount.
Yeah.
Minus the discount.
You want me to elucidate on that?
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. What I think you've not understood it. Like if you're buying 10 grams of gold at today's price, it would be around 30,000. So 30,000. If you take a 5-year plan, you'll get 37% off. So you only have to pay, how much is that maths, Raj? 18,000. You only have to pay an upfront of 18,000, and you'll get 10 grams of gold in 5 years at this price. And at that time, obviously in 5 years' time, it will definitely be worth at least 45,000 or 50,000. So you're getting it at 18,000. So it's like, it's a no-brainer.
Any limitation, minimum and
Yes.
maximum?
I wanted to increase the minimum to 5 to 10 grams, but my wife said she wanted to benefit every single Indian, so she's reduced it to 1 gram. So the entry level is 1 gram, and there's no maximum. But we're keeping it as a limited offer because we also have to make sure we have the reserves in our mines. We're pre-selling our stock, so there will be
It'll
a
all be
limited
in white.
offer, and
It has to
we'll
all be in
decide
white.
when we stop. Okay. My wife likes to mention that everything is going to be white.
White.
We've kept a restriction
All
of
legal.
no more than 2 lakhs cash purchase, and anything above 49,000 requires a PAN card.
Yeah.
5 अप्रैल को ग्रैंड हेयर केस का लॉन्च है। उसके बाद हमारे जितने मेंबर्स हैं 6 मंथ्स के अंदर इक्जा के मेंबर्स से मिनिमम 1100 किलो का इन्वेस्टमेंट हम लोग ये कंपनी में करवाएंगे, सब मेंबर्स को बोल के।
Wow. Thank you. Sweet.
Okay, shut up and bounce now, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.